First of all, ensure the machine is empty before removing the CinchSeal. Remove fuses from the control enclosure to isolate the electrical supply to the machine, and ensure control panel is locked off with a padlock and sign. Isolate the air feed. Remove machine guards. Remove the 6mm black air hose. Remove the 4 cap head bolts from the split housing, the outer one. Remove the 2 split line housing bolts and remove the 2 halves off main shaft. Remove the 2 screws from white PTFE roto cups and remove from main shaft, number 1 roto cup. Split the blue boot seal and remove from main shaft. Remove the 2 screws from the white PTFE roto cup and remove from the main shaft, number 2 roto cup. Remove the black O-ring from split housing inner and 4 cap head bolts. Remove 2 split housing bolts, inner housing, and remove from main shaft. Clean all parts and reassemble using any replacement parts required. Ensure silicone sealant is applied to the mating edge of the blue boot seat before reassembling.